it's that time of year again, and I have my favorite chef in the whole world, Chef Averriel Thomas, here in my kitchen to cook a delicious dish for us. And he's cooking one of my favorite dishes, his version of it. I'm going to let him tell you about it, but he's here for the Chefs of the World Taste of Fame, and it's an event that we do every year. He cooks this delicious meal, 5-course, and I help decorate his tables. So I'm going to let Chef Averriel tell you about what he's making today and about the event.
So first of all, Chefs of the World Hall of Fame, it's an event that started to raise money for the culinary departments of the HBCU colleges and universities. It's a 5-course dinner that's progressed with wine, a progression dinner.
This is a tremendous meal. It's a great benefit. I do it every year. I volunteer to do this just so I can eat. I get a little bit of food. But
I always make extra for my team that's helping out serve. Because if I can get their approval, then I know that the guests that we're serving are going to be happy with the dish that we serve.
It is always so delicious, let me tell you. But tell everyone about the dish you're making here, because he's also cooking for me on Sunday for my church. I have house church, and some of my members are here. Everybody, there's a studio audience, and he does a great meal when he's in town for our family, for our church family, and I really appreciate that. So tell us a little bit about
the dish that we're going to prepare here just soon. It's going to be shrimp and grits, but my version of shrimp and grits. So I take grits and I make them very creamy, the traditional grits with heavy cream, of course butter, salt, and pepper, but I also add red bell pepper and jalapeños. I seed the jalapeños so it won't be as spicy, but you get that wonderful flavor and depth that jalapeno gives to anything. Then we take the grits out, we make them congealed, and we chill them, and then we cut them into squares, and then we flour them in a seasoned cornmeal flour. And we pan fry them so they're beautiful crispy grit cake. And the grits and the shrimp itself, we take bacon and render down the bacon and get this wonderful bacon fat and add butter to the pan from that, and then some shallot, some garlic, and some parsley, and then saute your shrimp and all that, and finish it with some heavy whipping cream, and bring that all back together. Finish it just with a little Parmesan cheese to bind it and tighten it a little bit. And we're going to serve that right on top of the grit cake, and hopefully everybody will enjoy themselves.
That sounds fantastic, so I can't wait for that.
Who that?
So Chef Abe also has his own YouTube channel where he does these delicious dishes for you guys. It's called My Favorite Things.
My Favorite Things down in New Orleans.
So check that out on YouTube. He also has a killer rub that is to die for.
Sure.
You can put it on any meat and it makes everything taste fantastic. You can also get that. He sells that, and he has this incredible barbecue sauce that is the best I've ever tasted. So I want you to check that out. I'm going to leave links in the information tab, so check out all of his products that you can get.
Sweet heat barbecue sauce, so look for it, guys.
Yeah.
It's good.
So let's get to work.
Let's go. I'm ready. Ingredients for the grit cake: egg wash, seasoned corn flour, 2 seeded jalapenos, 1 red bell pepper, salt, pepper, butter, heavy whipping cream, grits, cheddar cheese. To make the grit cake, we boil the grits, get it nice and creamy, add the ½ cup of heavy whipping cream, butter, salt, and pepper. Then we put the diced, seeded jalapeno peppers, a 1/4 cup of bell peppers to the grits, stir constantly, nice and creamy, remove from heat, add cheddar cheese to the pot. Stir until cheese is melted, pour into a Pyrex greased dish, set aside, put in the refrigerator for 45 minutes to an hour to congeal. Once congealed, we take the grits, we cut them into squares, we remove them into the egg wash, into the seasoned corn flour, into the frying pan. The frying pan, we use canola oil. We do it at medium-high heat so it won't burn. Do in batches, please. Ingredients for the shrimp cream sauce. Shrimp, bacon, canola oil, shallots, parsley, flour, garlic, butter, half and half, red bell pepper, Creole seasoning. First of all, we take bacon and render down the bacon and add butter to the pan from that. And 2 tablespoons of canola oil. We saute the shallots, the garlic. We add seasoned salt to that. We reduce it, get it nice and translucent. We add the shrimp. We saute the shrimp, cover the shrimp in Creole seasoning, saute, remove from heat, add 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 tablespoon of flour, stir to make a blonde roux, add 1 cup at a time of half and half. As it thickened, we add to that more of the Creole seasoning salt. Then we add the shrimp and the shallot and garlic mixture. We reduce it down and we finish it and bind it with Parmesan cheese. To plate this dish, put grit cake in the middle of the plate. Finish it with shrimp and sauce napped right across. Finish with bell pepper as garnish.
Chef Abe even made another version using flounder for some of our guests who don't eat shrimp.
So with that, I had to do a white pepper gravy. We're gonna do parsley and peppers on the fish. You taste the flavor, not the heat.
Now this dish was so delicious, having that deliciously seasoned shrimp inside that creamy sauce over that crispy grit cake. And when you bite into it, you get that warm, creamy taste of the grits with just a touch of heat from the jalapeno. It was just fantastic. Let's all give Abe a hand for this delicious meal. Thank you so much. Be sure and check out the links below to see more of Chef Abe's fantastic recipes. Now you can paint on any surface indoor or outdoor and mix millions of colors to create endless home beauty with our Your House a Home metallic multi-surface acrylic paint. Get your set of 8 beautiful colors on sale now at Amazon.com. Also available on Amazon in paperback and ebook is Volume 1 of our Book of Elegant Home Crafts. In it, you'll find step-by-step instructions for garden projects, home decor, event and wedding, even paper plants and flowers. And right now, only from my online bookstore, you can get the hardcover coffee table book for $10 off by using the coupon code in the description tab below. Follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Snapchat at Your House a Home and Your House a Home TV for daily home, food, and gardening tips.